Welcome to Andhera Sach. Tonight, I have a story that will chill you to your core, a tale of an abandoned mansion, a curse and whispers that no one can escape. Scene fades in, a dark, stormy night. Slow pan of an old mansion through a foggy window. This is the story of Bhim Singh Mansion, a place feared by all who live nearby. It's been standing in ruins for over 50 years, untouched by time, yet cursed by the past. People say, once you enter after dark, you'll never leave the same. Cut to a figure, Arjun, walking up to the mansion with a flashlight, camera in hand. Meet Arjun, a young journalist with a thirst for truth. Tonight, he sets foot where no one dares to, into the heart of Bhim Singh Mansion. Armed with nothing but his camera and a flickering flashlight, he's ready to uncover the secrets hidden within these decaying walls. Cut to Arjun stepping inside, looking around, flashlight flickering. As he walks deeper into the mansion, a strange sound catches his attention, whispers. At first, he thinks it's the wind, but the sound grows louder, clearer. They're not just whispers, they're calling out. Scene. The camera shakes, the whispers grow louder. In the grand dining hall, Arjun notices something strange. An old portrait of the mansion's original owner, Bhim Singh. His eyes seem to follow Arjun and his expression, cold and lifeless. But wait, something's wrong. The eyes, they glow. Close-up of the portrait, eyes glowing. Arjun checks the camera, and the photo shows an eerie shadow. Arjun snaps a picture, but when he checks the photo, he sees it. A shadow, standing behind the man in the painting. But there's no one there. Just darkness. Cut to Arjun walking through the hallway. Soft child's laughter echoes. That's when he hears it, a child's laughter. It echoes through the mansion, distant at first, then growing louder. Arjun follows it, until he reaches the library. Scene. Arjun walks into the library and spots a small girl standing in the corner. Her eyes are dark and hollow. In the dim light, he sees her, a little girl standing alone. Her eyes, hollow and deep, staring at him. Why are you here? She whispers, her voice echoing from every corner. Scene. Shadows on the walls grow larger as Arjun looks around. Suddenly, the walls crack open and shadowy figures emerge. Suddenly, the mansion shifts, the walls crack open, revealing dark, shadowy figures. Arjun feels a chill run down his spine. He runs toward the door, but it slams shut on its own. Scene. Arjun panicking as shadows grow closer. The camera starts malfunctioning. Arjun's panic sets in. His camera starts malfunctioning and the whispers grow louder, more urgent. You shouldn't have come here. Scene. Arjun finds an old journal in the library, flipping through it rapidly. Desperate, Arjun searches through old records and finds a journal. Bhim Singh's journal. He learns the horrifying truth. The mansion's curse was born from grief. Bhim Singh had lost his wife and daughter in a fire, and in his madness, he made a pact with an evil entity to bring them back. Scene. Quick flashbacks of a fire, screams, and the mansion burning down. But the price was steep. He unleashed dark spirits, forever trapping his loved ones within the mansion's walls. Scene. The mansion shakes violently. Bhim Singh's ghost appears. Just as Arjun reads the final words, the mansion trembles. Bhim Singh's ghost appears, his face twisted with sorrow and rage. You cannot leave, not until the curse is broken. Scene. Arjun runs, the ghost chasing him. He reaches the door, but a hand grabs his ankle. Arjun bolts towards the exit, but the little girl grabs his ankle. You'll never leave, she whispers, not until we are freed. Scene. Arjun escapes the mansion, looking back to see it disappear into fog. Arjun manages to escape, but when he turns back, the mansion is gone, swallowed by the fog. The curse, however, remains. And Arjun, he will never be free. Scene fades to black with a soft whisper, the shadows are always watching.